Welcome to this non-sleep deep rest meditation. Find a quiet space where you can comfortably relax without distractions. You can either sit or lie down, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Make sure you're in a position where your body can fully relax and let go. Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Close your eyes if you haven't already. Let go of any tension in your body and allow yourself to be present in this moment. Begin by bringing your awareness to your body. Start with your feet. Notice any sensations you feel in your toes, in the soles of your feet, in your ankles. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow any tension in your feet to melt away. Now, slowly move your awareness up to your legs. Feel the muscles in your calves, your knees, and your thighs. With each breath, allow any tightness or discomfort to release. Feel your legs becoming heavy, relaxed, and at ease. Continue to bring your awareness up to your hips, your pelvis, your lower back. Notice if there's any tension here, and with each breath, imagine it softening, releasing. Feel your hips becoming grounded, supported, and relaxed. Now, move your attention to your abdomen and chest. As you breathe in, notice the rise and fall of your chest. And with each exhale, feel your body letting go of any remaining tension. Allow your breath to become deep, slow, and gentle. Bring your awareness now to your shoulders, your arms, and your hands. If you notice any tightness in your shoulders, imagine them gently melting down, away from your ears. Let your arms feel heavy and supported by the surface beneath you. Finally, bring your attention to your neck, your face, and your head. Notice any tension in your jaw or forehead and consciously soften these areas. Relax the muscles around your eyes and let the whole of your face smooth out. Feel a wave of relaxation moving from the top of your head down through your entire body. Now that your body is relaxed, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. Inhale slowly through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Feel the cool air as you breathe in and the warmth as you breathe out. With each breath, you become more relaxed, more present. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to your breath. Imagine your breath as a wave, rising and falling, bringing you deeper into this state of rest. Let each breath remind you that you're here, right now, in this moment, with nothing to do and nowhere to be. Now, let's go a little deeper. I want you to imagine that with every exhale, you are letting go of any tension, any stress, or any lingering thoughts. Visualize your mind becoming calm, clear, and spacious, like a quiet lake, perfectly still. With each breath, the water of your mind becomes more serene, more peaceful. Let go of any thoughts or worries. There is no need for them right now. You are simply here in this peaceful space, allowing your body and mind to fully restore and rejuvenate. If any thoughts arise, that's okay. Just notice them and then gently return to your breath. You don't need to engage with them. Let them float away like clouds in the sky. Now, imagine yourself in a place where you feel completely at ease. It could be a peaceful forest, a quiet beach, or any other place where you feel safe and relaxed. Visualize the surroundings, the colors, the sounds, the sensations. Notice the gentle breeze, the warmth of the sun, or the coolness of the shade. As you immerse yourself in this peaceful place, allow the sense of calm and tranquility to wash over you. Feel yourself becoming lighter, more at ease with each passing moment. Know that you can return to this place whenever you need to feel calm or centered. For now, just enjoy the stillness, the peacefulness, and the deep relaxation. In a moment, we will begin to bring our awareness back to the present moment. But for now, continue to rest deeply in this peaceful space. Notice how calm your mind feels, how relaxed your body is. Allow this sense of deep rest to stay with you, even as we begin to come back. Gently, begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest once more. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting your body. When you're ready, start to slowly wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing gentle movement back into your body. Stretch your arms and legs if that feels good. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing yourself back into the room, feeling refreshed and calm. Take a moment to notice how you feel. You've just given yourself the gift of deep rest and relaxation. Carry this calm energy with you as you continue with your day, knowing that you can return to this practice whenever you need to recharge. Thank you for joining me in this NSDR meditation.